name is Sula, and I've been using Rejuve for some time now. There are millions of people around the world who undergo treatment for bad circulation. There are also other people who suffer from bad circulation, but they're not knowing it. However, bad circulation becomes a huge problem when you become a senior. We have circulation problems, especially when you become a senior. I'm just about a senior. So I'm using the Rejuve and I found a huge difference. Not only on my legs, I use it on my face, on my neck, on my arms, and nobody thinks I'm just about 60. Everybody thinks I'm younger. I just feel rejuvenated. I just love it. It's just unbelievable.
Introducing Rejuve Therapeutic Technology for ultimate health and beauty. Rejuve is unlike any other product on the market because its patented wheels gently penetrate and rejuvenate the skin at a combined rate of 5,000 times per minute. Rejuve produces successful results for cellulite, fine lines and wrinkles, double chin, circulation, reflexology, sore muscles, plus many more. Once only available to professionals. Now available through this special TV offer for only $89.99. Call 1-866-735-8848.